and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Out of 40, only 31 MLAs filed their assets and liabilities before the Lokayukta. 5 BJP MLAs and 3 Congress MLAs failed to file the returns. Fate of NEET pass-out candidates seeking admissions for postgraduate courses still not clear. High Court to hear the matter on Monday. Wettest July in the state almost after 18 years. Met Department records 55-inch rainfall in the month of July. State crosses 80% of average rainfall. North Goa MP Shripad Naik's car meets with an accident. Private bus hits his car. MP safe. And victim lady doctor of forensic department of GMC names one more doctor alleging sexual assault. Matter becomes more serious. And now the news in detail. Out of 40, only 31 MLAs have filed their assets and liabilities before the Lokayukta. Lokayukta had given them time till Thursday. However, 5 BJP MLAs and 3 Congress MLAs failed to file the returns before the Lokayukta. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar is also a defaulter. Lavu Mamledar has asked for 3 weeks' time.
Lokayukta had extended the date of filing returns from 30th June to 1st of August for representatives of state. The time period ended on Thursday. Out of 40, only 31 MLAs declared their assets and liabilities. MGP MLA Lavu Mamledar has asked for 3 weeks' time. 5 BJP MLAs and 3 Congress MLAs have failed to file their returns. BJP Minister Ramesh Tawadkar failed to file his returns too. BJP MLAs who have failed to file their returns include Vishnu Suryawag, Pramod Sawant, Anand Sheth and Carlos Almeida. Whereas in Congress, Babush Munsarat, Jennifer Munsarat, Babu Kawekar did not file their returns. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane was the first to file return before the Lokayukta. Most of the MLAs filed their returns in last 2 days. On 31st July, 11 MLAs had filed return and on 1st of August, 12 MLAs have filed their returns. According to Lokayukta law, all the representatives of state have to declare their assets and liabilities. It covers panchayats, municipalities and aided organizations. Ironically, only Panch member of Veling Prior Panchayat, Zilla Panchayat member of the Panchayat have filed their returns. Chairman of PEC Education Society Ravi Naik has filed his returns. Goa State Pollution Control Board Chairman, MD of EDC and MD of Goa Electronics have also filed their returns. Lokayukta will hand over names of people who have failed to file their returns to the competent authority. The defaulters will get time of 2 months to file their returns. If the representatives fail to file their returns even then his name would be published in most popular news dailies. Senior reporter Lokayukta for Prudent.
Fate of the NEET pass-out candidates seeking admissions for postgraduate courses at Goa Medical and Dental College is still not clear. Goa government has told the High Court that the Supreme Court in its interim order passed on 30th July has not directed admissions to NEET pass-outs. While NEET pass-out petitioners urge the High Court to take suo motu contempt of court against state government for cancelling their admissions. The High Court will hear this matter on Monday.
During the hearing on Thursday, the High Court observed that it does not find it appropriate to force the state government by passing another order to implement order of the Supreme Court. The High Court also observed that if the state government does not implement the Apex Court's order, then only the Apex Court can take cognizance. While adjourning the hearing of the petition filed by NEET pass-out candidates, the High Court granted time to the government to take decision in view of the Apex Court's order. While NEET pass-out petitioners urge High Court to take suo motu contempt of court against state government for cancelling their admissions, petitioners argued that the High Court had directed government to go ahead with the admissions as per court's directions, but the government cancelled the admissions without court's order. The High Court will hear this matter on Monday. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It was wettest July in the state almost after 18 years. The Met Department recorded around 55 inches of rainfall in the month of July. This is the highest rainfall in July after 1995, which had recorded around 60 inches. The director of Met Department, KV Singh, claims that state has already crossed 80% of seasonal average of rainfall and has touched 83-inch mark. Watch this report.
Met Department claims that state has already witnessed 80% of the seasonal rainfall. The constant rain battered roofs and roads and brought down trees. It is not surprising that the month ended as the wettest July after 18 years.
Till 31st of July, the seasonal total this year is 2084.7 millimeters, which is more than the last year. Last year rainfall till 31st of July it was 179 centimeters. This year is 208 centimeters. So last year rainfall was less than this year. अभी तक जो रेन हुआ है वो लगभग 80% रेनफॉल हो चुका है सीजन का. तो यही सोच रहे हैं कि प्रेडिक्शन यही है कि नॉर्मल से लगभग ऊपर ही रहेगा रेनफॉल.
Meteorological Department records indicate that it has rained every single day in July. The center has recorded a rainfall of 54.6 inches in July. This is the highest rainfall in July after 1995, which recorded a 60.8 inches rainfall.
During July actually rainfall काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुआ है, continuously rainfall रहा है, जो कि लगभग कुछ ही दिन छोड़ करके अदरवाइज डेली हैवी टू वेरी हैवी रेन्स रहे हैं. तो इस साल जो जून का रेनफॉल है टोटल, जून में जो रेनफॉल हुआ है 138 सेंटीमीटर है, जो कि ये रिकॉर्ड है. एक्चुअली पहले जो रेनफॉल जुलाई में हुआ है वो 1995 में 152 सेंटीमीटर था, 2000 में 136 सेंटीमीटर हुआ, अभी 2013 में 138 सेंटीमीटर है. तो ये आफ्टर 95 this is the record for the month of July.
Walpai has recorded highest rainfall, while the least in Mormugaon. Panchi recorded rain almost nearing the state average. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
I had all my plans of committing suicide, but then I remembered my parents and gave away the thought. I said to myself, do not give up your life, fight it. This is a true story of Supriya Shetty. She was facing problem with her leg. Now she is operated and all is well with her. She says that she kept her hope alive throughout the difficult time and now she is smiling. She is happy. A message for all those who think of ending their lives. Please don't do it. Keep the fighting spirit alive. Prudent special report.
सुप्रियाची ही काणी म्हणजे हेरा खातीर ज्यांका जेन्ना अशें दिसता संकटाच्या की आपूण आतां जीव सोंपोवचो किंवा आपल्याक आनी सगळी निराशा आसा, सगळो काळोख दिसता, अशा काळखाच्या वेळार सुद्दां उजवाडाची किरणां आनी आशेचो किरण साबीत दवरून नव्या विश्वासान, नव्या आशेन, नव्या उमेदीन जगा कडेन पळोवपाचो उमेद दिवपाची ही स्टोरी बाय सुप्रियाची.
2003च्यान प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट जाल्लो म्हाका आनी पांय दुखपाक लागिल्लो. 11-12 हांवें तशीच काडल्या. फ्रेंड्स म्हाजे सगळे बरोबर आसताले, ते तेंच्यांनी पयला म्हाका सफर जाताना. सो तेन्ना म्हाका मदीं कॉलेज सोडची पडली, कित्याक मदीं 2 ऑपरेशनां जाल्लीं म्हजी. वर्साच्या कोर्साचेर म्हाका एक जॉब मेळिल्लो. तो जॉब सुद्दां म्हाका सोडचो पडलो, कारण म्हज्या पांयाची कंडिशन इतली बरी नाशिल्ली की हांव बसीन अप एंड डावन करपाचें पेडणेच्यान पेनजीम पर्यंत. घरा कडेन आसतना इतले सारके बेजार जाल्ले की सगळ्यांचे उलोवणें आयकून एकदम फ्रस्ट्रेट जाल्ले. सो एक टायम डिसायड केलो कमीट करपाक सुसायड, पण गेले की करतलेच म्हणून. पण जेन्ना करपाक ट्राय केलें अर्दे वाटेक आशिल्लें म्हणटात तशें, पण मम्मी पप्पाचो फेस इमॅजीन करून फाटीं सरलें. जेंच्यांनी जल्म दिला तांकां जर अशें हांव मरून वतकच तांकां त्रास करून वचच्या परस तांकां हांसोवपाचें. म्हाज्या सारके वर्स्ट केसीस आसात जे हांव नॉर्मली क्रचीस घेवन करपाक शकता, ते तेंच्यांनी ते सुद्दां पॉसिबल ना. सो म्हाका कितें कमी जाला. सो जी म्हाज्या सारकी घरान आसतली तेंच्यांनी डिसहार्टन जावपाचें ना. अशें दिसप न्ही की आपूण एक हँडिकॅप आसा, आपलो कांयच यूज ना, तशें नासता. फक्त पॉझिटिव्हली पळयत जाल्यार सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाता. आतां हांव जें ऑपरेशन जाल्या उपरांत जें तुमच्या फुडल्यान आसा तें सामकें एक न्यू लायफ घेवन आनी एक सामकें हॅप्पी पर्सन अशें. आतां जितली जी लायफ म्हाका बरी मेळटली ती हांव सारकी हॅपिली एन्जॉय करून स्पेंड करतलें.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.